What's a language isolate? Are these just lonely languages that no one wants to hang out with? Here's a quick explanation. You know how languages like Latin slowly developed into different languages over time, like Spanish and Italian are both descended from Latin? This is basically a universal thing with human languages, where languages will eventually develop into different languages. If there's enough of a geographic spread, languages will often develop into different languages in different places. So these will start off as dialects and then eventually become their own language. When there's multiple languages like this, we usually call those daughter languages, and using those daughter languages, we can get a pretty good idea of what the parent language looked like, even if it was never written down. However, sometimes languages don't evolve into multiple daughter languages. They'll just evolve into one daughter language, or maybe all the other daughter languages will die out. This often happens in isolated regions like up in the mountains or on islands like Japan. If a modern language is the only daughter language, it becomes really hard to figure out what the parent language was like because there's no other sibling languages to compare and contrast with. And when we don't know the parent language, we can't link that with other parent languages. So basically, as far as linguists know, the language is in a world of its own. Hence, we call it a language isolate.